Puntahan ko naman po, Captain Martinez, ito naman pong lumubog na MV Devon Bay sa West
Yes.
Philippine Sea noong January 23, kung saan 15 nga daw po ang na-rescue habang dalawa ang patay na ang na-recover na po ng China Coast Guard. Ano ho yung naging proseso ng pag-turnover sa kanila ng China sa ating otoridad?
Usually continuous po ang continuous po ang pag-coordinate po. And it started po dun sa pag-usap ng Hong Kong Maritime Rescue Coordinating Center, and marami pong coordinating mechanisms na inobserba po ng ating Philippine Coast Guard. And that also includes yung Department of Migrant Workers. So sila po, lalo na po yung Hong Kong Maritime Rescue Coordinating Center, sila po yung nagkasama po doon sa coordination between the Philippine Coast Guard as well as yung Chinese Coast Guard. However, out at sea, continuous pa rin po ang coordination po because yesterday, one of our ships was also there. Ever since na lumubog po itong si MV Devon Bay na nagkakandak po ng search and rescue operations. And it also was aware doon sa continuous na coordination po ng ating Coast Guard with Chinese Coast Guard on the manner of how it will be transported, how the passengers will be transferred from their vessel to their vessel po, ma'am.
Para lang po malinaw sa publiko, Captain Martinez, routine cooperation po ba ito sa ilalim po ng international maritime law?
Actually po, ma'am, let me start off that any ship po, I would like to focus first on rescuing distressed vessels or persons who are in danger sa sea. So according sa UNCLOS, it is an obligation of a state or a vessel, whether military man o civilian ang vessel, to render services or assistance, immediate assistance to ships that are in distress, to include persons that are in danger at sea, no matter, regardless of nationality or jurisdiction. So with this, it is an understanding that everyone has to help. So ang continuous coordination na ito is part of this UNCLOS po.
Puntahan ko po yung mga nawawala. Ilan po ang nawawalang Pilipinong crew? This happened January 23, 3 days ago. Ano na po ang update sa lagay nila?
Opo. 4 pa rin po ang missing. So if you would look at the pattern po kung saan lumubog ang MV Devon Bay, it was reported to be 151 nautical miles from sa Pangasinan, and that is, if you would base it dun sa Bajo de Masinloc, that is closer to Bajo de Masinloc po, and that is in the northwest part ng Bajo de Masinloc. Now, according sa reports, yung agos po ngayon ng sea is towards is southwest. So with that, the search pattern has increased. Pababa po yung search pattern dahil malakas ang current and mataas po ang alon po. It is 2 meters actually.
So nasa search phase pa rin po tayo or nandoon na sa transition ng recovery because it's been several days?
Until now po, ma'am, your Philippine Navy is still undergoing search phase, is still undergoing search and rescue operations, intensified search and rescue operations. Actually, yung bagong frigate natin nandun po, conducting such operations, utilizing the new equipment it has, yung mga electro-optical tracking sensors, and to include yung air surveillance ng ating aircraft sa Philippine Navy. So continuous pa rin po yun, ma'am. We would not stop unless the Office of Civil Defense would tell us to do so.
Bilang isang Singapore flagged cargo vessel po, ano na po o ano pa at ano yung ibibigay na assistance ng may-ari nito sa paghahanap sa mga nawawala at mga na-rescue?
In terms of this po, I believe po that this is now in the level of the Department of Foreign Affairs, and Also, this is with the Coast Guard also.